Hey guys, this is Chetan Bhavani and this is the unboxing and the hands-on review of the Xolo A500s smartphone that comes from Xolo for the price tag of rupees 7,000 in the Indian market. And this is a pretty decent device with a good design for the pricing of rupees 7,000, because what you get here is a 4-inch WVGA display that comes with the 233 ppi, that's the pixel density of 233 ppi, and there's a 1.2 gigahertz of dual core processor that's along with the Mali 400 GPU. And one of the factors that you won't like much is the 512 MB RAM, because that won't assist much in the multitasking, but that's fine for this pricing. And there's a rear camera of 5 megapixel here, and along with that there's a front VGA camera too included in the device. Apart from that, what you see is the Android 4.2 Jelly Bean operating system, and there's a 4 GB of internal memory with an expandable option of 32 GB along with it. So you can do that with the microSD card. There's a 1400 mAh of battery, which could have been better than the 1400 to at least 1800 mAh, which could have been good for a 4-inch device. So let's unbox the smartphone. So putting it off, this is the actual device. We'll check it out later on. Let's see what all comes into the package. This is the travel adapter, the headphones, and there is the micro USB connector, the micro USB cable, and there's a screen guard provided along with it, a safety, legal and warrant information guide, and there's a quick start guide to start off with the device with the initial setup options. So this was the packaging. Now let's see what the smartphone actually has got. This is the 4-inch capacitive touchscreen with the capacitive buttons in the bottom. There's a front VGA camera here and earpiece on the front. On the back, what you see is the 5 megapixel camera with the LED flash, and a very neat design, a pretty good one, and it's pretty easy and comfortable to hold in the hands. On the side, what you can see is the power button, and on the top there's a micro USB port and the 3.5 headset jack. On the left is the volume rocker keys. There's a mic in the bottom that's just below the screen. So this is a device with 1400 mAh of battery. Let's start off the device and see. This is the lock screen. Now while you get into it, there are a total of 5 home screens that you can see, where you can add several widgets and you can have the various wallpapers. It's similar to the stock ROM that you see on the Android smartphones. Let's go to the about section. That's the Android 4.2.2. It was actually 4.2, but we got an update to 4.2.2 here, and everything else looks pretty good with the standard stock ROM available on this. And the applications that come pre-installed in the device is the backup and restore, the Google applications like the Gmail, the Google search, Google Maps, Google Talk, and YouTube. Apart from that, what you see from Xolo is the Xolo Care application, Xolo Power, and the Xolo Secure. So these are the 3 apps that you see from Xolo: the Xolo Care, Xolo Power, and Xolo Secure application. So this is the notification panel. Everything looks pretty simple and good. So this is the options key. Holding the home key for a long time would expose the active applications, which you can directly close by swiping in. So let's try to see how the camera capture quality here is with the 5 megapixel camera, and we'll compare it with the Galaxy Core and the Xperia M camera, which we tried earlier. So it's not auto focusing well when the subject is quite near to the camera. The quality is not that appreciable, but let's try to capture something a bit far from the device. We'll also have to activate the flash and try to capture a picture. So these are the 2 photos taken with and without the flash. With the flash, what you see here is quite a lot of blur, and there won't be much of the difference even without the flash. So the tiny LED flash on the back won't assist much in capturing, and you shouldn't expect much with the 5 MP camera of the A500s. But still, in the end, this device for rupees 7,000 in the Indian market is a very good device, and it comes with a dual SIM. This is the 1400 mAh battery. These are the two SIM card slots and the micro SD card slot for the expansion to 32 GB. So all in all, a pretty good device which you can get for the 7000 price range. So do check out my channel for the other videos, the reviews, tips and tutorials. Thank you.